Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel once again, and my name is Javi. In this video, I wanted to talk about thriving and abundance. So, thriving and abundance is already here. It's been here since all of creation was first started. The reason we've never experienced abundance and the world is not thriving is because our minds have been taking over our experience. We have layers and layers and layers of veils and walls that we cannot see the truth. But when we take away all these veils and walls and see as our pure self, everything has always been here. Our ability to have abundance of everything has already been here. It has been here. We could have been thriving thousands, millions of years ago. And we could still be thriving right now. And the lucky ones, when they align to the universe and they completely become themselves, the universe serves them. It gives them. All the abundance is there. All the abundance is there for those who are aligned to it. Now, let me tell you a little bit of my experience. I have abundance. I have abundance of love. That's why I make these videos. I have abundance of nurturing everything around me. I have abundance of always having good thoughts or good things happen to me in my experience. I'm always constantly thriving in good emotions, thriving in solutions. When you are lined into your intuition and you are in your space of oneness, all the solutions naturally come to you. We don't have to think about what's the solution to this problem. What's the solution? How do I critically, mentally think? We bypass all that. We naturally align to our dharma, to our purpose, and everything is laid out. There is no challenges there. There is no blockages there. We have this universe filled with energy. Everything is energy, and all we have to do is line up to that energy. All we have to do is be that energy, and you already are that energy. You don't have to be anything. You don't have to do anything. You just have to take away all these things that keep coming to you and you identify with, that we keep holding on to, our past, our beliefs, our conditions, our habits. Let all that go. It is time for us to thrive, not just in how we see the world and how we express and how we create, but literally have the universe and the world give it to us. So everybody here now, right now, in this space, in this time, not tomorrow, we can experience full abundance and start to thrive all together, all of us, not just one group, not just 1%, not just them or he or her, us. You watching this, me, and the people that will be watching this, and everybody. It's happening. The Great Awakening has already passed the tipping point. It's a snowball momentum that's building right now, and we are all in it. It is time for you to just release, let go, do your work, heal, eat the right foods, go exercise, pump it, get it. I'm here for you, in full support for you. This is something that's never happened ever. We have a great opportunity right now. So I am pumped. I am juiced for this moment. I am pumped. I am juiced for you to truly discover who you are and truly, not just try to understand what I'm saying, to know what I'm saying, to be on the same frequency as I am. Because as I am, you are, we are. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'm so in gratitude for this whole beautiful magical experience of this life that we are in. Until next video, please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you've been watching these videos or you just come into this video for the first time, subscribe. We're gonna turn it up. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Namaste. All is love. Amitabha. Peace be with you.